The Chef's Choice 430 Knife Sharpener is an easy tool to manually sharpen serrated blades. There is no electricity required, so you can use it in any part of your kitchen or take it on the go. Unlike other sharpeners, there are no moving parts that need maintenance or lubrication, so it is always ready to use. Instead, precision rollers gently guide the knife during sharpening. To begin, place the 430 sharpener on a flat, stable surface. Make sure your serrated knife is clean and dry. Put the heel of the knife in the sharpener and move the knife to the end of the serrated blade and back again. Make sure the blade stays in contact and moves one or both of the red rollers for proper sharpening. You don't need to put any downward pressure while sharpening. However, as the blade moves, you'll hear a light sawing sound that ensures that the sharpener is working correctly. Depending on the dullness, size, and type of serration, you will need to make 10 to 50 passes to sharpen the knife. If you are resharpening, you will only need to make 10 to 20 full passes. About halfway through sharpening, it is a good idea to wipe off the blade and try cutting a tomato. This way, you won't over-sharpen the knife. The 100% diamond abrasives control the angle of the blade and create a sharpened edge that is like new. To ensure safe, precise prep work in your kitchen, sharpen all of your serrated blades with the Chef's Choice 430 manual sharpener.